Welcome to the alternate Sprinter Lunge. This dynamic exercise is designed to build strength in your quads, glutes, hamstrings, core, and calves, while also improving explosive power and coordination. Stand tall with your feet about hip-width apart. Take a step back with your left foot and lower your body into a deep lunge position. Your front knee should be at a 90-degree angle, and your back knee hovering just above the ground. Your hands reach toward the floor, almost touching it to further engage your hamstrings and glutes. As you rise from the lunge, engage your core as you explode upward, bringing your arms to your sides. Now, switch legs and repeat the movement. Keep alternating legs, moving smoothly and powerfully through each rep. Focus on controlled movement, mindful of your core engagement to maintain stability throughout the exercise. Remember to exhale as you drive upward and inhale as you lower back down. Complete 10 to 12 reps per leg. And remember, practice perfect form.